Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your business location on Google Maps. So to do this is pretty simple. So you want to go to support.google.com and then you will have to go for your Google business profile. So here you will be in your help. So all you have to do is go here and make edits to your profile. And then here add or edit your business address to your business profile. So here, to add or edit your business profile, you will have to help customers' business on Google Maps search. So to do this, you will have to list your service area instead. So here for the address guideline, you have to make sure you enter complete exact address for your profile. So there's an example right here, like 1600 Amphitheater Parkway, Mountain View, California, 194043. So include suite numbers, floors, building numbers, and other types of unit information when placing right here. So here, if your address doesn't have a street number, here you can pin your business profile directly on the map. By pressing this button, you'll be able to do this. So I don't have a business, but this is how you use it. So just press this. So here, add, edit, or remove your address. You can add or edit right here. It's going to be a second article for that. So, or you can remove your address right here if you want to do so, if you have your business and you're relocated. So here, there's going to be going to your business profile, remove your business address, and with search, Google search, you just edit your profile. With Google Maps, select edit profile, business information, and then here in the top, select location, and next to business location, select edit, and turn show business address to customers on or off. So here, you're also going to have your edit address. So if you want to edit your address, you want to do the same. Google search, edit profile, Google Maps, edit profile, business information, and then here in the location, next to the business location, just select your edit. And then you want to edit the things you want to do. So you have to follow this address guidelines, of course, like I have said so. And then you'll be able to adjust your PIN and relocate your business safely. So there you go guys, that is how you fix your business location on Google Maps. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.